CPQ is a sales tool that ensures accurate pricing for product configurations. It considers optional features, customizations, quantities and discounts, enabling quick and precise quoting by sales reps. In CPQ, C stands for configure, where the products are configured for the customer. Price is at what price a business is selling it to the customer, and quote is a fancy PDF document which a customer receives before purchasing the product. The sales is directly proportional to the revenue of the company. Therefore, it is really important for the salesman to focus on the sales process rather than configuring the products and remembering all the prices and selling it to the customers. Let's understand concept of CPQ by almost buying a Tesla. Out of all the cars, you'd like to buy a Model 3. Model 3 lease starts from $329 per month, but we have different plans here. So let's say we decided to purchase the Model 3 and it costs $38,990 as a product. So we want to make customizations to whatever is being provided. So let's add paint. So if let's say we want to go for deep metallic blue or red or any other color, so each color has got a specific pricing which will be added to the quote, and that applies to the wheels as well. So whenever we choose a wheel base that is not included in the price we have earlier seen, so that will add it to the quote. And black goes good with red, so we decided to stay there, and obviously it will add more money, so we might not go there. Enhanced autopilot. Tesla cars are useless without experiencing this, is my opinion. And we also know that self-driving capability is way ahead and it can get better, so we'll take it when it gets better. So wall connector is what we need because we need to charge once we are back home. And ta-da, we have a quote which is ready with our selections. And let's see how much the car costs whenever we purchase it. On the top we can see our configurations are listed. We saw itemized pricing while configuring the car, and this is the quote for the car we wanted to almost purchase. I hope this fancy example helped you to understand CPQ. Salesforce is a CRM, is a cloud computing CRM where all the customer relationship management data is stored. And Salesforce has taken a tremendous step in order to boost the sales process. For that, they acquired a company called Steelbrick and got it into the Salesforce ecosystem, because of which the salesperson directly focuses on selling the product rather than going through this configuring, pricing and quoting stages. So that's where the Salesforce CPQ is doing a very better job. Quote to cash process refers to the sales process right from opportunity creation to invoice being paid by the customer. Every CPQ vendor has got their own objects in their quote to cash flow. However, the foundational concept is the same. QTC lifecycle starts from opportunity creation to revenue recognized by the company. Let's dive into the flow to understand quote to cash process at a high level. Opportunities are pending sales. Opportunities are created when a customer is interested in our business's product or a service. These are potential revenue creation for the company. Using CPQ software, our focus henceforth will be Salesforce CPQ. We start configuring products and to create bundles and automate product pricing and discounting process. The price is automatically calculated based on products and price book selected. quote document is presented to the customer with the products of interest with pricing components. Let's go with the happy path of customer accepting the quote and create contract or proposal. Customer accept the contracts and sign the contracts. Order also has related objects in Salesforce related to shipping, invoicing, billing, and payments. If there are any subscription or any contracted products, the renewal concept will come into picture. The sales process can be improved based on the data collected during the above phases, and that will be used for cross-selling, upselling, analytics, and next sales process. I hope this video has given an introductory understanding on CPQ and quote to cash process. We'll see you in the next video with Sales Cloud versus Salesforce CPQ, advantages of Salesforce CPQ, and overview on Salesforce CPQ installation settings. Thank you, and see you in the next video.